Alrighty, here we go. We got the teams up in the top right. Hopefully it's big enough. Let me make it. Should be big enough. If you can't see them, obviously you've had a chance to see them in the chat, but or in the Discord. But here we go. 2021-22 NBA hoops hobby box. 8 cards, 24 cards, or 24 packs. Here we go. Let's do it. Cade Cunningham on the front of the box. It's the first time I've ever been able to do this, so I'm definitely going to do it. This little thing where you flip it up here. Oh yeah. I probably shouldn't have cut right there, since I probably wanted to keep this box since I'm a Pistons fan. But, oh well. Get the packs out here. So many packs. Watched a couple other breaks of this today and getting some good numbered cards and stuff like that, so should be pretty fun. Here we go. Just move that. Pack number 1. Pokashevsky, Chris Paul, Josh Jackson, Norman Powell, Kyle Anderson, Monte Morris. First rookie is a James Boatnight. And then we also have another rookie, Kessler Edwards. Not bad there. 2 rookies, pack number 1. Got a shiny card in this pack. Tobias Harris, Cole Anthony, second year. Carmelo in a Blazers uniform, but on the Lakers. Karis LeVert, Kobe White, Mitchell Robinson, and TJ McConnell highlights. Our last card is a David Johnson rookie. TJ McConnell, not numbered, just a little foil. Sleeve this up real quick. So we can go through them at the end. Keep going from the left side. That was for the Pacers, that TJ McConnell. De'Aaron Fox, Enes Kanter, Kevin Love, Batum, Thomas Bryant, Mike Conley, Shea Gilgeous, and a Jonathan Kuminga rookie. Next pack, Christian Wood, Kelly Olynyk, Kyrie Irving. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting. Cameron Johnson, see the names. Royce O'Neal, Doug McDermott. We got a Shaquille O'Neal insert here, 0 gravity for the Magic. And then a Usman Garuba. Next pack. Kristaps, Theo Maledon, Jaylen Brown, Michael Porter Jr., Derek Jones Jr., Kemba Walker, nice little shiny of Josh Giddey, now playing, nice card there, and our rookie is Toscano Anderson. this one up real quick. Next pack. Josh Richardson, Jared Allen, Kevin Porter, Rui, Ingles, Deontay Murray, Paul George, primetime, and a Scotty Lewis for the Hornets. Next pack. Statutory, Lou Dort, Aaron Baines, Kongwu, Tay Rozier, Brandon Clark. Got a numbered card of Giannis, numbered to 2021. Pretty cool. And then a rookie is Moses Moody. Next pack. Chris Middleton, Joel Embiid, Otto Porter Jr., Jokic, Sabonis, Lauri Markkanen. We had a numbered rookie of Bones Highland, numbered to 75, green. Then our last rookie is a Seagun. One moment. Next pack up. There we go. Isaiah Stewart, Borsier, RJ Hampton, Paul Millsap, Miles Turner, Vucevic, Zaire Williams now playing, and a Keon Johnson. Next pack up. Russell Wilson, Harrison Barnes, Dennis Schroeder, RJ Barrett, Paul George, Bertans. We had a Kevin Durant high court insert and a Luka Garza for the Pistons. Okay, let me move some of these to the side so I have a little bit more room. Next pack. We got a Usman, Tate, Kara Lewis Jr., second year Anthony Edwards, Keldon Johnson, Bam Adebayo, Chris Durante insert, We On Next insert, and a Jeremiah Robinson Earl. Okay, into the second stack. Eric Gordon, Zion, look at that face. That's a funny face. Baisley, Derek White, Jimmy Butler, Gordon Hayward. Got a Brandon Clark purple and a Jaden Springer rookie. Next pack. Still looking for some of those top rookies here. Devin Booker, Brooke Lopez, Ben Simmons, Jaren Jackson Jr., Jeff Green, Malcolm Brogdon, Moses Moody not playing, and a Josh Christopher rookie card. Next pack. Terrence Ross, Reggie Bullock, Buddy Hield, Patrick Williams, Derrick Rose, Eric Bledsoe, a Jalen Johnson, we on next, and a rookie is Evan Mobley. So there's probably one of the top cards you can get right there. Get these saved up real quick. Next pack. Who had the Cavs? Brent. Not bad. Boban. Tyrese, second year. Peyton Pritchard. Obi Toppin. Marcus Morris. Bradley Beal. We got a shiny card. Wilt Chamberlain. Legends of the Ball. For the Lakers. And a Sharif Cooper. Wilt Chamberlain, baby. Still a bunch of packs left. Okoro. John Wall. Brandon Ingram. Jordan Clarkson. DeAndre Ayton. DeAndre Hunter. Luka High Court for the Mavericks. And Bones Highland again. At least we're getting some of the bigger names at least for some of these parallels. And James Harden, Gary Trent Jr., DiVincenzo, Oubre Jr., Desmond Bain, and our auto. Yep, auto, Josh Giddey. Oh, I took that card too. Boom! That's a pretty nice one right there. Anyone got eBay? It's probably not even up on eBay yet. It's not numbered at all. Just get it in a top loader real quick for us. Probably one of the better autos we could have got, so that's pretty good. No booms out there. Nobody's watching. Wants to give me a little boom action. Let's go. Put that right there. Also, a couple of rookies here. Jonathan Kuminga and a Joe Wieskamp. There's our rookie. There's our auto. Seth Curry, Wiseman. Maxi Kleber, Karl Anthony Towns, TJ Warren, Lonzo Ball, James Boatnight, and a Herbert Jones. A couple rookies there. Who ended up with the Thunder? Joan? Nice. Good hit. Holmes, Al Horford, Darius Garland, Manuel Quickley, Luke Kennard, Denny, now playing Keon Johnson, and a Jalen Green. There we go. Rockets got the rookie you were looking for, probably. Not playing the greatest. Well, or he's hurt. I'm not exactly sure, but one of the guys we're looking for. Couple packs left. Still looking for Cade. Cunningham. OG. Giannis. Danny Green. PJ Tucker. Mason Plumlee. John Collins. Rookie purple. Charles Bassey for the 76ers. And then a Jalen Johnson. Good one there. Rookie color. Coming down to the end. Wiggins. Hardaway Jr. Marvin Bagley. Dylan Brooks. Will Barton. Nurkic. Paul George. And a Brandon Boston Jr. 3 packs left. Marcus Smart. Colin Sexton. Got something shiny in this pack. Gary Harris. Miles Bridges. Or Michael Bridges, not Miles. McDaniels. Spencer Dinwiddie. And a De'Aaron Fox. High voltage. And then a rookie is a Isaiah Livers. So we got both the other Pistons rookies except for Cade. And there's our high voltage. That is not numbered. Still a sweet card though. Two packs left. Killian Hayes, Kevin Durant, Siakam, Bojanovic, Thaddeus Young, Kyle Lowry, John Morant, City Edition, and a Davion Mitchell. So that's a decent one there. One of the top rookies also. All right, last pack. Thanks to everyone for joining, filling this so quick. It's been a fun rip. I like ripping these nice hobby boxes. So, Tyrese Maxey, Draymond Green, PJ Washington, the other Bogdanovich, John Morant. We got a Joel Embiid, numbered to 2021 for the 76ers, road to the finals. And then a Boat Knight rookie. So that is going to do it. Let's see, we got a couple of the highlights here. Embiid to 2021, Davion Mitchell, high voltage, De'Aaron Fox, purple, Charles Bassey, Wilt Chamberlain, Evan Mobley, number to 75, Bones Highland, number to 2021, Giannis, road to the finals, another Josh Giddey now playing, TJ McConnell, Jalen Green, and then boom, Josh Giddey, rookie ink, not numbered, sticker auto. So that's gonna do it, guys. Thanks for joining. I will see you on the next break. I'll stack them up and get them sorted, and if anyone needs to ship or anything, just let me know. Thank you.